Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now let us look at this question. So this is indices, right? So we need to find the value of x here. So I can just cross multiply here, or I can say. So let me open the bracket in the first place. We have 2x plus 1, right? Right. I want to cross multiply here, right? I can say this 27 here, don't forget, can be what? 3 raised power what? 3x times everything that we have here, because I've already cross multiply. Okay, 3x minus 4 times 3 into what? 6 minus what? 7x. Now when you look at this thing, we need to apply the law of indices here. Now if you have a raised power m times a raised power n times a raised power z, so far we have the same base, right? You can just what? Add the power together to what? M plus z, right? The same thing applicable here. Okay, here I can say 3 raised power 2x plus 1 equal to, we have 3 here, let me now add the power. We have 3x here plus 3x minus 4, right? Plus, now look at this one as well, 6 minus what? 7x, right? We are done with this part. Now we also have one principle that states what? When you have something like this, a raised power equal to a raised power, since the base are the same, it means the power of this side must be equal to what? The power of this side. The same thing applicable here. We can see 2x plus 1 equal to, I can add this power here together, 3x plus 3x, 6x, right? 6x minus 7, we are going to get to, let me write it out to make it clear. 3x minus what? 7x. We have 6 here, just put it 6 minus 4. I can say 2x plus 1. This one is 6x minus 7x. 6 minus 2, this one is going to be what? 2, right? I can have 2x plus 1 equal to 6x minus 7x. This one will give you minus x plus 2. Now let me collect the right terms here, okay? 2x, we have minus here. This one will be what? Plus. What do you have here is what? Is 2. This one will be what? Minus here. 2x 2x plus x, this one give me what? 3x, right? 2 minus 1, this one will be what? 1. So what the coefficient of x is 3, dividing both sides by what? By 3, equal to 1 over 3. That is my s equal to 1 over 3. Simple. So please kindly follow, like, comment and share. Bye.